Hello my little beans, today we're gonna do this 2-minute marble nail art, and for the start we need a matte base, either with a matte surface from the buffer or a matte surface by a top coat. Next we're gonna draw some white lines on the nail. For this I use some white pigment mixed with cleaner, but you can also use a simple white painting gel or white gel that is highly pigmented. So we draw the lines all over the nail. Try not to do it too much on the nail because we need some space for the next step. So if you have some parts where you can see through the nail, that's no problem. It will help you to get a more realistic effect. And a little tip at the end, try to draw some straight lines with no waves in it. This will help to get your design a little bit more realistic. And this is what your finger should look like. Now we have some space between the white color areas, and the next thing we want to add is a little bit more of a sheer, not really pigmented color. And this is for the effect we want to achieve, that you can look through the color like through a gemstone. And by the way, I added a photo of you from the actual gemstone that inspired me for this design. And yeah, like always I did a little mess, but this is how it should look like, and it's already really beautiful. So let's kinda cue the shit out of this little beauty, and this is what we get now. I would appreciate it if you leave a like or a comment.